Hi, this is Arif. In today's video, we are going to talk about the new upcoming smartphone, which is Realme X Pro. As we know, Realme is always best for budget smartphones, and the Realme X Pro is going to be the best budget smartphone of 2019. So before getting started, be sure to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for more updates. Let's start with the details of the display. Realme X Pro might come with 6.5-inch Super AMOLED capacitive touchscreen with a resolution of 1080p, and the protection will be Corning Gorilla Glass 5. And the pixel density is 394 ppi. Now let's talk about the details of the camera. There will be 3 rear cameras in Realme X Pro, which are 64 megapixel wide lens and 16 megapixel ultra wide and 5 megapixel for depth sensor. And the front camera will be 32 megapixel f2.0, which is capable of capturing high quality images and videos. Now let's talk about the performance of this device. So as we know, Realme X Pro will come with Snapdragon 730G, which is new processor, and the GPU will be Adreno 616. And for the internal storage, there will be 3 variants: 64GB, 128GB and 256GB. And for RAM, there will be also 3 variants: 4GB, 6GB and 8GB. Now let's talk about the battery and connectivity. The battery will be lithium polymer 4000 mAh, which is capable of fast charging VOOC 3. And for connectivity, it has USB Type-C reversible connector, a headphone jack and a headphone jack. Now let's talk about the price and release date. The price of the Realme X Pro will be around $300, and this phone might launch in the starting of the next month. That's it for today, guys. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for more updates.